and they're consistently encouraging more investment, more continued openness of business.
Via these opening comments in his speech, our confidence in the China market has been further strengthened, reassuring us to continue expanding our strong footprint here in China.
CIE is providing the same opportunity, equal opportunity to everyone.
5年前，我宣布举办进博会，就是要扩大开放，让中国大市场成为世界大机遇。
In early November, thousands of exhibitors are gathering in Shanghai for the 6th China International Import Expo. The CIIE, a creation of Chinese President Xi Jinping, is the world's first import expo held at the national level. Among exhibitors from across the world, many are repeat participants. US essential oil brand doTERRA is a 6th-timer at this year's China Import Expo. In 2018, as the first CIIE was launched, the company had only a few dozen employees in China. It never expected its 9-square-meter booth could become a hit.
I remember that first CIIE very well. It was quite a big impact to us as a company, to me personally. You can see here really the first one, even though it's this very small booth here. You can see so many people around coming to use our essential oils, experiencing them.
During that year's CIIE, what also struck Owen Messick was the speech delivered by President Xi during the opening ceremony of the expo.
And I think the main message that he gave was, look, China's open to the world. We are open to having businesses come to China and be successful here. So I think that has really encouraged many companies, including us.
6 years later, the company has nearly 1 million registered members in China. China has become doTERRA's second largest market in the world.
This platform, I think, is particularly good for sort of small and medium-sized enterprises like us. We can use, which is a really big platform, CIIE, to help boost our growth. It's great to work with CIIE because, they're really helpful. We've invested more each year as the years have gone by because we found good results.
Not only smaller enterprises, the CIIE has also been welcomed by larger industry heavyweights. Swiss tech giant ABB is one of over 280 Fortune 500 companies and industry-leading enterprises attending this year's CIIE. Over the past 5 years, ABB has consistently maintained a presence at the expo, showcasing its latest global research and development achievements and innovative products.
CIIE for ABB has become a very important platform to share our latest leading technologies. More precisely, it has allowed us to exhibit more than 210 of our innovative products and digital solutions. We've received more than 150 government and SOE delegations at our booth at CIIE.
Leveraging China's innovation-driven development, ABB has continued to expand its footprint in China.
I've been honored to attend the CIIE opening ceremony, actually twice, once in 2020 and once in 2021. I've been able to listen to President Xi's keynote speeches, which were both very encouraging. What impressed me the most was China's willingness to continue opening up to the world. Our confidence in the China market has been further strengthened.
The CIIE lasts only 6 days, but its spillover effect extends far beyond the brief duration, and in some cases all year round.
We participate in every CIIE, sometimes by ourselves, sometimes partner with the Mongolian manufacturers.
Bachmunk Zoltengel, a Mongolian businessman, has taken root in Shanghai since the first CIIE. He initiated his own business venture, selling Mongolian products to China.
Countries like Mongolia, the developing country, come to the same stage with other countries. So this is the very equal opportunity. We are preparing the Mongolian National Pavilion, which means we bring the variety of products, including the food, beverage, and the cashmere.
Cashmere is one of the main sources of income for herders in Mongolia. Zoltsengel said Chinese orders of cashmere products help generate steady incomes for Mongolian herders.
The Mongolian cashmere is all from the very remote areas, the rural region where the Mongolian real nomadic people live. Just one family have the bunch of livestock, and even these people are benefiting from these platforms.
The opportunities brought by the CIIE also made him decide to open a Mongolian import pavilion at the Greenland Global Commodity Trading Hub just next to the CIIE venue. After the expo ends, the hub offers a permanent exhibition space for foreign firms to showcase their products.
In this shop, located next to the CIIE, is open 365 days. So CIIE is not only 6 days, it's open to whole year. I'm personally and our company is benefiting from it. We all are benefiting from it.